Reno, Nevada is a booming city for startups and established businesses. If your company is relocating here, you need a reliable office moving company to handle your transition smoothly and efficiently. Office moves are complex. Professional movers offer consultation, careful packing, and flexible scheduling, including nights and weekends, to minimize downtime for your business. Our services include dismantling and reassembling workstations and cubicles, managing corporate accounts for multi-stage moves, and specialized handling of sensitive equipment. Office moving costs in Reno vary based on distance and size. Local moves range from $1,100 to $3,300. Nationwide relocations from $4,000 to $8,000, and international moves start around $10,000. Reno offers low taxes, a vibrant economy, and affordable real estate, making it a wise choice for growing businesses. We specialize in office moves, operate year-round, handle high-altitude challenges, offer moving insurance, and encourage employee involvement to ensure a smooth transition. Ready for a stress-free office move in Reno? Contact 3 Movers today for a free, personalized quote. We'd like to help you move forward with confidence.